Ever wondered why some prayers get answered while others seem to go unanswered? Or struggled to manifest your desires, even with your best efforts? Well, you've come to the right place. In this captivating video, we'll journey into the minds of 3 manifestation and prayer experts: Aart Tol, Braden, and Neville Goddard. Brace yourself as we uncover insightful wisdom and discover the secrets behind successful manifestations. Explore the powerful role of belief and emotion in prayer, and learn how to break through hidden barriers that might be holding you back. Get ready to dive into the essential elements of effective prayer, including clarity, emotion, and visualization. Whether you're a manifestation novice or a seasoned pro, this exhilarating video is packed with valuable insights and practical techniques to supercharge your prayer and manifestation game. So, are you ready to embark on this transformative adventure together? Let's dive in. When it comes to prayer, approaching it from a conscious manifesting perspective can greatly accelerate the manifestation of our desires. Belief and feeling play a crucial role in the effectiveness of prayer, and several insightful quotes by Aart Tol, Braden, and Neville Goddard highlight this importance. Prayer, when approached with the right mindset and emotions, can tap into the power of our subconscious mind and help us remove any blocks that may be hindering our manifestation process. Prayer is not about begging or bragging to a higher power, but rather about assuming the feeling of already having what we want. It is a critical practice that allows us to enhance our abilities and manifest our desired circumstances. Prayer must be approached with a sense of certainty and the belief that our prayers will be answered. In addition to manifesting our desires, prayer has also been found to have mechanisms of healing and can awaken our innate ability to deliberately manifest the life we desire. It is a practice that allows us to commune with the divine and align ourselves with the universe. Unclear desires can hinder the manifestation process because it is important to have a clear vision and understanding of what we truly want. Without clarity, our intentions may be scattered and unfocused, making it difficult for the universe to align with our desires. Taking the time to reflect, visualize, and define our desires can help to remove this obstacle. On the other hand, unconscious barriers, such as fear, doubt, and limiting beliefs, can prevent us from manifesting our desires. These barriers often stem from past experiences, societal conditioning, or self-imposed limitations. It is crucial to recognize and address these barriers in order to move forward on our manifestation journey. Techniques such as affirmations, hypnosis, and energy healing can help to reprogram the subconscious mind and remove these barriers. Furthermore, it is important to distinguish between desires that come from the heart and those that are driven by the ego. Ego-driven wants are often based on external validation, comparison, or societal expectations, while desires of the heart align with our authentic selves and true purpose. By aligning our desires with our higher selves, we can ensure that our manifestations are in alignment with our soul's journey. Discerning desires of the heart requires self-reflection, intuition, and releasing fear and doubt. The illusion of fear stems from an uncontrolled mind of delusion, where thoughts are given power. When fear is not examined or confronted, it continues to grow, fed by the fears of others. To uncover true desires, it is essential to look within and reflect on the fears that hold us back. Self-reflection is a crucial step in discerning desires of the heart. Taking the time to introspect and understand our true motivations and values allows us to separate our desires from external expectations. Detaching from these external pressures and societal norms can help us uncover what truly aligns with our innermost desires. Trusting intuition is another important aspect of discerning desires of the heart. Our intuition is the voice of our authentic self, guiding us towards what truly resonates with us. By tuning in and listening to our intuition, we can gain clarity on our desires and make choices that align with our true selves. In order to remove blocks in the subconscious, two powerful techniques that can be utilized are shadow work and visualization. These practices can be instrumental in manifesting desires, prayers, and personal development. The concept of the shadow self and shadow work can be traced back to the teachings of Swiss psychiatrist Carl Jung. According to Jung, the shadow represents the hidden aspects of ourselves that we try to hide or repress. Engaging in shadow work involves acknowledging and integrating these shadow aspects, which can lead to profound healing and personal transformation. Shadow work is not always an easy or comfortable process, but it is an essential part of awakening to our purpose, healing our hearts, and manifesting our dreams. By exploring and working with our shadow selves, we can gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and release any subconscious blocks that may be holding us back. Visualization is another powerful tool that can aid in removing blocks in the subconscious. By visualizing oneself already having or doing what is desired, and by feeling grateful for it as if it has already happened, the subconscious mind can be reprogrammed to align with these desires. This process, known as emotionalized visualization, can be an effective way to manifest desires and prayers. Friends, to your surprise, prayer is also a powerful form of meditation that allows us to connect with a higher power and manifest our desires. The energy or vibration we project during prayer is crucial in attracting positive outcomes. This is where affirmative prayer comes into play. Affirmative prayer is a technique that focuses on the desired outcome rather than dwelling on current problems. By shifting our attention to what we want to manifest, we align ourselves with abundance and create a positive energy flow. In addition to affirmative prayer, creative visualization is a powerful tool that can enhance the effectiveness of our prayers. Clarity in articulating our desires is an essential element of effective prayer. When we are clear and precise about what we want, the universe can better understand and respond to our intentions. Infusing our prayers with genuine emotions adds another layer of power. If you found this video on unlocking the power of prayer and conscious manifestation helpful, we would greatly appreciate it if you could give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Your support will enable us to continue creating content that empowers and guides you on your manifestation journey. We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Share with us how prayer and conscious manifestation have transformed your life and what manifestations you have been able to bring into reality. Your comments and insights not only inspire us, but also create a community where we can learn from and support one another. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting with faith, clarity, and unwavering belief in your own power.